Match function returns the relative position of an item in the range that matches a specified value. Range here could be a single column, a single row, a part of column, a part of row, or a single cell. The match function is like a hotel manager, in which hotel means the range and room is cell position, or you can call it relative position. You ask the hotel manager where Tom was staying. Her answer would be, let's say, room number 103. Maybe she won't tell you, but she knows. We can say match function has information about the content of the cell, content of the range, and will tell you only the position with respect to range when asked. Position will change if range will change or alter. Let's have an example. Here range is A1 to A12 and we want to know the position of Chica, Ina, Demo, Naka. What is the position of Chica? Here we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10. What is the position of Ina? That is 2. What is the position of Demo? That is 6. What is the position of Naka? Is 9. Now we'll change the range from A1 to now we'll change the range from E10 to E24. So our Chica will be at 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And same, Ina on 5, you can count it. And Demo from 9, Naka 12. Position of Chica is shifted by 3 because we have added 3 cells in the range. Match function will start counting from E10. It doesn't matter, it is blank cell. So let's do it according to the match function. Write down, press equal symbol and write match. Open parenthesis. Hey, and match function behaves like your wife and ask lookup value, lookup range, and how do you want exact match or something else. Putting a smile on your face, you will tell lookup value is Chica here, lookup array is lookup array is range A1 to A12 and log that range, 0. We'll discuss 1 and -1 when we'll go for a long ride. Close the parenthesis, press enter, you will get 10. Now drag down the formula. Now change the range, write match equals lookup value is Chica again, lookup array is E10 to E24, log the range, 0. Now drag the formula down. The result is exactly same as above. The position of Chica is shifted from 10 to 13 because 3 cells were added above the name. So we can say position of all is shifted by 3. So for proper result, selection of range is most important. That's for now. Keep watching, keep exploring, have fun. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.